Hi everybody. Just training a kit of young birds at the minute. Get the phone to switch on. 22:16 on Friday the 28th of June. We've got a kit of 4 up here, young birds. Preparing these for the first young bird fly. Just put the lights on. Oh, looked like they know what was coming next. Let's get that in focus. Right, I'm back. Just got that in focus. And it's a kit of 4 pure Sheffields here. We've got a nest pair, and we've got a single reared one, or should I say one that was only, we might have lost the nest mate, and the other one is actually they've bred the same way as the other one, so it's 2 from 2 separate nests and 2 nest mates, but they're all pure Sheffield. Come on. Drop her out. Drop us out. Come on. There we are. 4 pure Sheffields. 3 of them are actually at my first rounders, and the other one was a second rounder, obviously later behind the first young bird, which was off the original cock bird, to be honest. I'll show you later in the paperwork. But yeah, these 4 are what we're training up for the first fly, which is next weekend. So one of these will not be flying, but we're preparing for, in case one has a mishap or disappears, shall we say. Not into the bin, dusty bin, no. In case you have a falcon attack, then we'll be down to 3, but we're going to practice with 4. These 4. Right, let's get there. Start the shot there. We'll get them in. Let's get these droppers in. Droppers are in. Everything's hunky-dory. Let's go and have a look at these pigeons then, shall we? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. There they are. Number 16. Number 22, number 23, and the next one is number 28. But look at them. This is 28. It's got a plastic ring on, so that was in the second round. That tells you that was a second rounder. Let's have a look at the ring number. Yeah, 28, yeah. I was right. That's number 16. So this one and that one These two here are nest mates, 22 and 23. And number 16 was the first rounder, and then second rounder off the same nest, same parents. They just cracked, what was it, 6 hours, 4:15 to 10:15. 6-hour training toss for them. We'll have a closer look at them. I've got to feed everything and do some water, and then I've got to get in. I'll continue this video tomorrow, so stay tuned. Right, hello everybody, I'm back again. We've got them 4 reds in the basket here, but first I'm going to show you a little bit of the history of them, what they are. Well, not history really, it's just what they are. So on here, not sure we can see that, but on here, let me just turn this page. Not the best at editing. Here we go. That's better. So here you can see the red marks of birds I've lost. First red pigeon is 1216. That was hatched on the 28th of December. Early round. Get in. Blue, I'm not flying the blue. The next one I'm flying is a red, number 22, and red 23, which are nest mates. They were hatched on the 30th of December. Sorted. And then another red would have been number 24, but that was the red that the neighbour had up the road, about 150 yards up the road. Scraggy red, but it's not too bad, but I'm not going to fly that one. I'm going to fly my next available one, same way bred, which is this red here, number 28. That is a second rounder. This line here was my second rounder line. So that was a second rounder, hatched on the 30th of January, which is exactly a month behind this one. So that one is off the same parents as this one, the original red cockbird. And these 2 reds here are nest mates, obviously, and I believe the father to these are off the original cockbird. Just for, and then here we go. There's the parents. Not great. There you go. Better. So the first one is off the old boy, pure Sheffield, paired to number 59 hen, which again is the same as this red here. The old boy, and I haven't written 59 there, but that's the same pigeon there. And then 22 and 23 are this pair here. This one and this one. We'll line up right, you can see that. I don't know if you can see that, but they are off the cockbird 625. That's a bit, there you go, that's a bit better. So yeah, 22 and 23 are off the cockbird 625, and the henbird is Moatside Lothering 56, pure Sheffield. That's just how I record the birds. So you can see when they hatched, how old they are, whatever. But yeah, let's have a look at the birds. This one here, this is number 22. So it's an early first round. You can see it's already on the 4th flight's now coming up. So she's lost a flight there, but that's the state of the wing for the first fly. Falling to pieces, innit? Falling to pieces. Ah, they'll be all right. Look at that. Huh? White tail. There's the head. Here's a little hen bird, number 22. This is number 16 off the original cockbird. Again, now pushing up its full flight. 4 to go. It's probably dropped one there, look. Number 16. This was 23. Next mate to the first one, I'll show you. Again, it's now pushing up its full flight. Got 5 more to go. Again, white tail, mainly white tail. Light checker. Well, it's a lighter checker. It's not dark. I've got a darker one, but that was bred off a bred off a Sheffield Cross Pilot. But these are all pure Sheffield. And the last one. What was the last one? I've only got 4 birds in there. I can't even pick it out. This ain't it. That's 22. 22, 23. Here we go. Yeah, second round. This is a second rounder, bred the same way as as number 16. He's got a plastic ring on. All the second rounders I put a plastic ring on. But yeah, again, he's pushing up his full flight, look. There it is. Pure Sheffield. So they'll all be on, I think this week is week 27 in my diary. So they're just about 27 weeks old, most of these. And you do the maths, the other one's a month behind, that last one. Yeah, they're the 4 reds. Bye for now.